Hi guys, it's me again, Giselle from BSed Math 1A. This morning, I am going to show you how to solve or find the missing side and missing angle of the right triangle. The device that we're going to use in finding the missing sides of the right triangle is the sukatawa. Sine angle is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine angle is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent angle is opposite over adjacent. So, nandito, I already drawn a right triangle shape which is given in angle B 63 degrees, and then angle A is always 90 degrees and missing angle C, side A, side B, and given side C is equal to 5. So now let's start to find the side A. In finding the side A, we're going to use the cosine, which is the adjacent over hypotenuse, because 5 side C here is the adjacent, and we were going to find the hypotenuse 1. Okay, given is angle B 63 degrees. Alright, so we're going to write cosine 63 degrees is equal to 5, which is the angle C, over A. Cosine 63 degrees is equal to 5 over A, which is ang 5 is the adjacent here, and then the hypotenuse is not given, and we're going to find it, the A. Okay. Multiply both sides by A. Okay, and then crush out. Right. A times cos 63 degrees is equal to 5. And then divide both sides by cosine 63 degrees. Cosine 63 degrees. And then crush out. So A is equal to 5 cos 63 degrees. And use calculator to find the answer. Five over cosine 63 degrees is equal to 5.07 or 5.1. So RA is equal to 5.1. And now we're going to find the side B. And finding the side B, we're going to use the tangent. Opposite over adjacent. Opposite is the B, and then adjacent is 5. Alright, so tangent 63 degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. And then tangent 63 degrees is equal to our opposite is missing, which is the B, and then our adjacent is 5. Right. And then multiply both sides by 5. Then crush out. So B is equal to, bring down 5 tangent 63 degrees. Okay, and then use calculator to find the answer. So the answer of the 5 tangent 63 degrees is equal to 7.6 or 8. So The sides of the right triangle is now given. So B is equal to 8, C is equal to 5, and A is equal to 5.1. And now, the last thing that we're going to do is to find the missing angle, which is the angle C. Okay, A is equal to 90 degrees and B is equal to 63 degrees. In finding the missing angle of the right triangle, you can choose to use between SOHCAHTOA device or the Pythagorean theorem. For me, I am preferred to use the Pythagorean theorem. So, A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. Since the missing angle is the angle C, so we're going to C is equal to A plus B minus 180. And then, so C is equal to 90 plus 63 minus 180. So, the missing angle is, so, just add the 90 and 63 is equal to 153. And 153 minus 180 or 180 minus 153 is equal to 27 degrees. So, our angle C here is equal to 27 degrees. And that's how to solve the missing sides and missing angles of the right triangles. Next, I am going to show you how to solve the missing sides and angles of non-right triangles using sine rules and cosine rules. As you can see, I already drawn an isosceles triangle. Given angle B is 35 degrees, angle C is 52 degrees, and missing is angle A, and side C is equal to 12, side B is not given, and side A is not given. Okay, first thing that we were going to do is to solve the side B. In solving the side B, we're going to use the sine rules. In finding the side B, we're going to use the formula B over sine B is equal to C over sine C. Okay, B is the missing, see, and our sine B is equal to B sine 35 degrees is equal to C is 12, and our sine C is 52 degrees. Sine 52 degrees. The next is cross multiplication. Then B sine 52 degrees is equal to 12 sine 35 degrees. Alright. Yan. Divide both sides by 52 degrees. I sine 52 degrees. Sine 52 degrees. Crush out. And then B is equal to 12 sine 35 degrees over sine 52 degrees. Then, use calculator to find the final answer. B is equal to 12 sine 35 over sine 52 is equal to, our side B is equal to 8.6. So our B here is equal to 8.6. 8.6. Okay, so as you can see, we already have the side C 12 and side B is 8.6 and angle B is 35 degrees and angle C is 52 degrees. So the next step that we're going to do is to find first the angle, the missing angle, which is angle A, to proceed on finding the measurement of the side A. Okay, angle A. So in finding the missing angle, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem again. A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Or A is missing, so A is equal to B is 35 degrees plus 52 degrees minus 180. Then 87 minus 180 is equal to 93. So our angle A is equal to 93 degrees. Okay. Here we already have the three angles. The last thing that we were going to do is to find the side A. In finding the side A, we're going to use the cosine rule. The formula of cosine is a squared plus b squared plus c squared minus 2 times bc and cos A. So A squared, the missing, and we're going to find it, which is b squared is equal to 8.7 squared plus 12 squared minus 2. RB is 8.7 and RC is 12, then cos 93 degrees. Then 8.7 squared is equal to 75.69, 12 squared is equal to 144, and 8.7 times 12 times 2 is equal to 208.8 times cos 93. And then proceed to addition. 75.69 plus 144 is equal to 219.69 minus 208.8 cos 93. Right. Then 219.69 minus 208.8 is equal to 10.89 cos 93 A squared. Alright. A squared. Okay. 10.89 cos 93 is equal to 3.46. And then to crush out the square root. Right. Then square root of 3.46 is equal to 1.86 or 2. So our B is equal to 2. So our A is equal to 2. Alright, we've got the missing ones. So that's how to solve the non-right triangle.